Disaster Secretariat has called all northwestern cities of our country to stay inside. The public is worrying about whether the same disaster is going to happen in Turkey too. The same thing is gonna happen here, so just be ready for it. We would like to remind you that acid rain is very harmful and causes various diseases and disaster in the country. So I repeat it, acid rain is extremely dangerous to both the environment and us. You are going to be asking what is acid rain and probably want to learn more about it, since we have never experienced it. Dr. Eliza Aslan, who is a specialist about the acid rains, is going to talk about and explain what is acid rain. And Dr. Eliza Aslan, specialist on the issue, will explain. Eliza?
Thank you, Mr. Purplesey. Firstly, I would like to answer the question, what is acid rain? Acid rain means rainfall, which is acidic, caused by atmospheric pollution, especially by sulfuric and nitric acid compounds from human sources such as factories, cars, electricity production, fuels, etc. There are two sorts of acid deposition, which are wet and dry deposition. Wet deposition occurs when any form of precipitation carries the acids from our atmosphere down to our Earth. Dry deposition occurs when acidic gas particles attach to the ground. Plants and other surfaces are affected also. The effects of acid rain are lowering the pH of aquatic animals' habitats, which leads to their death, and ruining the balance of trees and other plants. Also, even though acid rain does not affect human health directly, the pollutants involved in acid rain can cause heart and lung problems, including asthma. Acid rain can damage buildings, monuments, rock-based statues, and gravestones. In order to solve this problem, we should devote ourselves to the nature and the environment. We should lessen the use of motor vehicles and stop using coal and other fossil resources. Factories should use filters and should avoid throwing their waste away into the water or into the soil. As a precaution, please avoid being exposed to rainfall in the next 48 hours. In other words, please delay your romantic walks in rain. Thank you, Mr. Purple.